What do you like on your pancakes?
Hello, I'm Susie.
In this video, me and my little helpers are going to make some egg-free pancakes. And these ones are vegan friendly as well. Let's fry them, flip them, top them and eat them. So if you'd like to be tucking into these, then keep watching and there's a recipe card at the end of the video. For the pancakes, you'll need 250 ml of soya milk, or you could use any milk you prefer, a tablespoon of baking powder and a tablespoon of coconut oil. We've melted ours in the microwave for 30 seconds, or you could use vegetable oil. We also need 120 grams of plain flour or wholemeal flour. Choose your favourite toppings. We've got fresh fruit, lemon and sugar, we've got honey, golden syrup, maple syrup and even some chocolate spread. And then we've got some squirty cream and even some ice cream. And if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe. And now, let's introduce you to my little helpers.
Hello!
Today, boys, we're going to make pancakes.
Pancakes! Yay!
And these are
Eggless, egg-free kitchen class.
This recipe is also suitable for vegans. Does anybody know what a vegan diet is?
Someone who doesn't eat meat.
Just meat?
And fish.
And fish? What else?
And chicken.
Yeah, what about...
And sausage.
Yeah, what about milk? Do you think that vegans drink cow's milk?
No. No.
No, they don't drink cow's milk.
They also don't eat eggs.
No, they don't. A vegan diet contains only plants and foods made from plants. So vegans don't eat foods that come from animals like meat, dairy products, eggs, and they don't eat honey.
If you are vegan, this recipe is good for you.
Okay, boys, instead of cow's milk, we have got, for this recipe, soya milk. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yeah?
What?
Does it taste like normal milk or is it a little bit different?
A little bit different. Tastes like curry a bit.
Tastes like curry.
Yeah, a bit.
Soya milk is made from soya beans and water. Do you know what this is?
It smells something like fruit and fibre stuff.
It's actually coconut oil.
Coconut. Is that what you put in people put in fruit and fibre?
Well, in fruit and fibre you get little bits of coconut, so that's probably what you can smell. Alex and Josh.
I'm not doing it. Oh, I want to drink this all. Oh.
No, don't drink it. Pour the flour into the sieve. Okay.
Wow, that's so cool.
That's right, Josh. Try and get it in the bowl.
Milk.
Yep. Okay, Josh. Alex, can you add the little black bowl of baking powder?
This one.
Yeah. Put that in there as well. That's it.
It makes type of dough.
So the baking powder, that's like the magic secret ingredient.
Oh, that's a snowflake! It's snowing!
Alfie, do you want to whisk that together? Josh, do you want to pour the milk in? You keep whisking that, Alfie. So you pour the oil in. That's coconut oil.
That smells so good. Oh, that smells like potatoes.
Potatoes?
Yeah, it smells like potatoes. No.
You're all going to have a go at tossing a pancake and then you're all going to put on your toppings, whatever you like. We've got lots of strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, honey.
Honey!
We've got maple syrup, chocolate spread, squirty cream, sugar and lemon.
Yeah. It's going to be the ultimate pancake.
And then we're going to go for a big long run around the field.
No.
Now we need to leave it just to rest for 5 minutes. It makes it all nice and fluffy and airy.
I wonder what it's going to taste like, those pancakes.
Heat your non-stick frying pan and add 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil and let that heat up. And then add a ladle of your pancake batter. You'll need to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes and you'll see all the bubbles start to rise. And when the pancake becomes a little bit loose, it's time to flip it over. Here we go. Hooray! Now cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes and then repeat with all your mixture until all your pancakes are ready to eat. Delicious. Oh, good try. Oh! Ooh! Yay! Good boy! 3, 2, 1. Yay! Yay!
I got that. And it went so. This is fun. everybody. Dig in.
Dig in, boys. Alex, what are you having on yours?
Sugar.
Sugar and honey. What are you having on yours, Alfie?
It's got everything, so it's
I've
got everything. It's so good. I want to make another one.
You want another one?
Well, Alex likes them, so why don't you give them a try? Here's the recipe card. It's really, really easy. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Flip them, fry them, flippin' floppity floppity flop.